welcome. Ayan, nakaluto na po kami ng Bananarama. Ayan. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam or sa hindi po nakasama sa live, the reason why I did Bananarama, kasi po I was ready for flea market sa Westville and that is one of my product, Bananarama and Turon. Ngayon po ang ating weather po, napaka fickle-minded siya, papalit-palit siya. Hindi namin talaga nasundan ng maayos. Nakabili na ako ng bananas. Nag-cancel po yung admin sa ating Westville Flea Market kasi nga uulan sa gabi. Yun, wala ring taong pupunta pag uulan. So, kinancel and na-postpone po sa August 3. So, ang dami ng saging na napahinog ko na. Sabi ko, gawin ko na lang na Bananarama at saka ipamimigay po natin, ipapatikim natin sa mga kung may makita tayong mga guys sa kalsada, mapatikim natin. And nakausap ko na rin po si Kevin at saka si Fortune, yung ating dalawang homeless guys po na tumitikim na rin sa ating mga pagkain. Ni-request ko sila na puntahan ako sa a certain gasoline station para mas safe po na lugar. Lagi ko po sinasabi na may mga delikadong lugar po kasi it so happen na may mga lugar po talaga malapit dito sa amin na delikado, na may mga yung bang gagawin nila yung kaya nila para lang ma-take advantage nila yung other people. Hindi ko na po sinasabi na talagang as in delikado rito, but talaga pong may mga iba po ang pag-iisip ng mga tao dito. Eto, nagpapak na po ako ng Bananarama para kay Kevin and Fortune. Ayan, nilalagay ko na po dito. Ilalagay ko sa tray na yung iba. Kadikit-dikit no, so ilagay ko po dito yung iba. Para madaling pulutin kung sino yung gustong tumikim. So, ayan po guys. Samahan niyo po kami at mamimigay kami ng Bananarama. Guys, patitikman ko itong mga kapitbahay ko. Tingnan natin kung ano yung masasabi nila. Ayan, dala natin sila ng Bananarama. Ito yung isa, mamaya yan. Doon muna tayo sa baba. Hello, Alicia and the friends.
How are you?
Okay. How are you?
Good, and you?
Okay, what you having there?
Eating rice and eggs and tea.
Wow. Okay, just in time that I came then.
Okay.
This is Bananarama.
Wow. Okay, wow.
Yes, there's banana inside there.
Okay.
And then we cook syrup. You know why Bananarama? Because there is rum in the syrup.
It's nice. It's very nice.
Guys, they are from Zimbabwe, so they're the Zimbabwean.
So, they're nice. Thank you.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's very nice.
It's first time to eat it.
Yeah. But it's nice, yo.
It's very nice. And it's tasty.
Thank you.
It's nice. You must teach us how to do it also.
Yeah.
Yeah, I must teach you. This is Alicia, my neighbor, and the friends. What's your name?
Emma.
Emma and?
Endless.
Endless.
Okay. Alright, enjoy guys.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. This is Joseph.
Hello.
Joseph, my neighbor. Can you please taste my Bananarama?
Oh, thank you.
And
thank
then
you, thank
let me know how is it. Hi Alicia, baby Alicia.
you. Look, when I taste, wow,
There you go.
soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. This
Yes,
is very tasty. Yeah, I must say.
that's baby Alicia, the daughter of Alicia down there.
No, this is very nice.
Who's Sharmi now?
Charmaine. Charmaine.
You like it? Really? Oh, your mama is eating down there also,
No,
Alicia.
this is very nice.
Yeah.
This is very nice. What you want to taste?
Banana. Bananarama.
Bananarama. Bananarama. Taste boy. There you go.
These are nice.
Thank you.
You like them?
Wow.
You can bite.
Yeah,
Also wanna
nice.
Taste.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just have that one later. Bye-bye, girls. Hi, Kevin.
Thank you.
How are you? All right. How did you do today?
Not so good. As you can see, I'm very up and down.
Mm. Oh, at least, yeah, it's a good thing. No, I'm just giving you that. I hope you're gonna like it. Thank you. Hello, Fortune. How are you? Okay. This is banana roll. Yeah. Lucky you got your your bag. Yeah. Oh my gosh, one big bite. You can keep the rest for later, Fortune.
This one you take it.
Yeah, no, we fried it. We cook it.
You were a chef before.
No. No, I'm not a chef before.
Look, that's making best time food.
Oh, yeah, because it's a Filipino food. But you like it,
Oh.
though?
This one best time.
Yeah, no, all the food that I'm giving you,
All the
it's-
food is giving. Best
and,
time.
and you like it, okay? Just,
Banana roll.
yeah, banana roll. Okay, enjoy, Fortune. You enjoying my food, right? You happy? Yeah, I can give you more, Fortune.
Banana roll.
Yeah. All right, Fortune.
Thank you very much.
Just take care, right?
Okay, God bless you. Nice.
Thank you. Banana.
Hey, thank you, ma'am. God bless.
Okay.
Stay. More?
All right.
As I tasty never chow in my life. Thank you, God bless you.
All right. You want more?
Hey, please, man, if you give me all that, man, God bless you. I'm hungry. I never chow for money.
Oh.
Please, auntie.
Okay, I leave one for the uncle
All right,
now.
thank you.
That's banana, uncle. Okay.
Thank you, Madam God.
Bye-bye.
Hey, the things is very nice.
Thank you.
Yo,
Yes.
what is it?
Banana.
Yo, no more.
No more.
Okay, but very nice. Hey, your hands is blessed, man.
Okay, let's go. Mission accomplished. Hello guys, good morning, good morning. Alam nyo, excited na ako ngayon nakakain dito sa Burger King. Andito kami sa Burger King. You know what? Excited ako kasi lagi kami kumakain dito na may free Whopper every time nakakain. Kasi sagutin lang ang survey, then we can get a free Whopper. So now, nasa isip ko na agad si Kevin at saka si Fortune. Oh my gosh. So, ayan o. Yan. Ito tayo sa kanila. Iuwi ko to sa Mr. Paul. Ay, hindi. May extra pa pala na isa. Ayan. Hello, dear. So now we're getting how many free burgers? 3. There you go. Oh, idadaan po namin mamaya kay Fortune at saka Kevin. O, diba? Kain po tayo. Ayan, ito na po para sa kanila. Ayan, with the burger and drinks. Parehas po sila. Ayan, burger and drinks. Sigurado matutuwa na naman yung dalawa. Tara, let's go. Bigyan na natin.
Thank you. How you doing?
Alright.
How was your weekend? Thank you.
Enjoy. Enjoy. Hello, Fortune. Sorry, you're rushing. Okay.
God bless you.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday, love you, Ma.
How sweet. There you go guys. Ayan, napamigay na po natin yung mga ibang Bananarama. I am just surprised yung place na tinigilan natin na last, na ang daming dumadaan doon na mga homeless din, kaya at least nabigyan natin yung talagang target natin. And si Fortune po, lagi niya nakakalimutan na napuntahan ako sa meeting place namin. So, ako na lang yung pumupunta sa kanila at binibigay yung food. Pupunta na sana si Kevin doon, nakasalubong ko siya, sabi ko, doon na lang tayo. So, ayun. So, mission accomplished po. At least may napatikman tayo ng mga homeless. Medyo masaya ang pakiramdam na nakakabigay po tayo ng tulong sa mga homeless kahit papano in our small ways. Anyway guys, thank you for watching po. Please continue supporting my channel po. So this is something new. May 2 target na po ang ating channel, yung makatulong po sa ating mga homeless guys here, sa abot po ng ating makakaya, at ang ating pagdala sa Aquarius Kids sa Pilipinas. Ayan. Please like po, share, and subscribe po, and see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.